Hello everyone, I am Preeti this side. I am fine, hope you all are good. In this video, I don't have any topic. I am going to share you one thing. If you are a beginner, you don't know the grammar rules, you don't know the how to make sentences. Let me show you one thing. You should just try the things like I have two hands, I have two ears, I have a hairs, and I have a fingers, I have 10 fingers, I have lips, I have nose, I have hair, and there is a mirror behind me. I am sit on the chair. I have a book. I have a nose. I have a mobile. Like this, you will become fluent in English. You should try this way to become fluent in English, and gradually you will achieve your goal to become fluent in English. Okay.